This is the boxy charm for the boxy charm. It's like, this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of August. Hello everybody, it's Cindy. And as you can see from the thumbnail, guess what day it is? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, also welcome. So far I've done unboxings and that's pretty much it. I really want to do something else. I have a lot of stuff filmed. It's not edited, but you know, hopefully I can get it up to y'all soon. I'm ready. I gotta watch out for that because I always do that. I'm ready, you're ready, so let's go. I have to be careful of how I open this because I don't want to show off my address. Y'all doing while I'm opening this box? Y'all good? What's good? Okay, ready? I'm gonna let you see it before I do. Here's everything inside and I'm gonna pull out the card. Oh, it's another one of these. So the theme for this month is Bear Yourself. It says celebrate all of you, play up a signature look, create the unexpected, let natural beauty shine. Your Glam Bag Plus picks will help highlight the beautiful things that make you unique. And has two very attractive. Oh, they're going for the shorter card now. They're listening. I feel like Ipsy's done bear stuff all through the whole summer, so I don't know why this particular theme is any different than what we've seen over the last several months. Just saying. I did not choose any add-ons this time. I have decided that I have a lot of products in my life that I just don't need. And in fact, I am having a little bit of I don't know if you would call it existential crisis because it's just makeup. But I am getting to that point where I'm like, do I even want these subscription services anymore? Because I have so many products that I will never be able to use up if I just constantly keep getting new ones. I don't know. Maybe leave a comment down below. I guess unboxings are everything that I've done so far, but maybe they're keeping me from doing my other content. And the first thing that I have pulled out are these lovely Farrah brushes. And it says, be beautiful, be you. I think I've seen not a lot, but a few people be like, they're not into the Farrah brush, but I don't think I've really had bad luck with them. And I'm guessing that this is an eye set because all of these are eye like shaders. I mean, so you can see the handle, it's that plastic, but it's a blue that goes into like a green. So it's like that ombre look. And then these are very fluffy. Oh, these look like very nice brushes. I like them. There's like a fluffy one. There's I think that would be a pencil brush. There's a flat shader. There's an angled brow. There's a concealer. And eye blending. I think these are super cute. Like the only thing is that again, I keep getting a lot of these brushes lately that have white bristles on them. They're gonna get stained. That's just the way it's gonna go. The Farrah brushes Show Me Magic eye brush set have, holy cow, do people really pay that much for this? Ooh. The value of this brush set is $50. Moving on. Okay, you have no idea. As soon as I have used up all of my foundations that I currently have, I was going to go ahead and spend the dough on an either CC cream or a BB cream, which I think this is. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. So this is the Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer, and it does have like 50 SPF. It says it's clinically tested, hydrating and anti-aging with 3D skin flex, whatever that means. But all I know is that everything I've tried from IT Cosmetics, I have absolutely adored. Even their mascara, their brushes, anything that I've gotten has been just fantastic. And I was getting ready to literally buy something similar to this. I love the way their products, their face products feel. I I'm just blown away. I got it. And I think this stuff is like 45, 50 bucks. So, and I've got a full size. It is in light, which might be actually a little too dark for my skin. I was going to look at probably getting the fair, because I did get a light one and it's just slightly dark. You know, you can tell up close, but maybe since this is just the moisturizer, it'll work. It says it's a full coverage moisturizer. What I can tell you is that CC cream, oh bud, when I put that stuff on, man, I don't need any concealer under the eyes. It's amazing. That stuff is amazing. I don't know, I love the smell of it. Here, let me take it. Okay, that's interesting. So you've got a little pump to it. I can't tell you how excited I am. I don't have to go out and get one. Next thing. Oh, now I have gotten this as, you know how when we review things and we get points through Ipsy. I've gotten a Hey Honey thing through reviewing things, and it was just like a small little travel size, which actually reminds me I need to use it. But so this is going to be my first full-size Hey Honey product, and I've got the Hey Honey Take It Off Exfoliating Honey Peel Off Mask. It's a smooth and clear complexion. You know what? I might hold this out. I may not be trying this because peel off masks and me don't usually get along. The things in here don't seem so bad, except for the polyvinyl alcohol and the alcohol, which I'm guessing is, you know, necessary. Honey extract is in here. There's jojoba seed oil, glycolic acid, which, you know, is good for exfoliating your skin. Kind of want to try it, but at the same time, it's like, it's a peel off mask. It's not the greatest thing in the world for aging women to be using. Okay, so the Hey Honey Take It Off Exfoliating Honey Peel Off Mask is $38. I think I forgot to mention the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer in Light is $39.50. Now, it does give a tip to prep skin with a light moisturizer. So maybe that'll help like prevent as much irritation from peeling off the mask. The next thing I have here, oh my Lord. Oh, come on, man. Another freaking Perless moisturizer. Perless or Perlis? It might be Perlis. I may be pronouncing that wrong. This is a daily moisturizer with SPF 30 sunscreen. I've been having a hard time wearing sunscreens. Maybe it's just the type that's used. But I found myself itching and breaking out in a rash whenever I wear products with it, which really stinks because, you know, you need to protect your skin from the sun. Does all kinds of nasty things to age it more, plus, you know, skin cancer. Who really wants that? But everything I have tried, I think it might be the Blue Lotus extract. It burns whenever I put it on. It burns. And I keep giving Perless bad scores on my ratings, but apparently they're not listening. Something is burning your skin. There's a chance there that your skin is having a bad reaction to it. And every single Perless item I think I have tried that has happened with. Holy cow. The value of the Perless, we'll just call it the sunscreen moisturizer, is $45. I'm sure there's somebody out there that'll pay that for it. And I think we are on to the last item here, which I think is another eyeshadow palette. Well, actually, it looks like it's a face palette. We have the Balm Cosmetics in the Balm of Your Hand Greatest Hits Volume 2. I've never tried the Balm Cosmetics, and unfortunately, I don't think I'll be trying them now. I think I might actually hold this out for somebody who, because all of these look very, very neutral, and I don't need another neutral palette. I have so many neutral palettes that I've got to get through, and I've just gotten so many bronzers, blushes. Maybe I'll still open it up and take a look at it. There's no plastic or anything on these. It's pretty, but I don't want to swatch it. The blush looks just okay. And I love it when they think like this. Look at the pan size for the blushes. Now maybe that is more practical because like you're going to go through that faster. I just love how they think that like our brushes can actually dip down into this bronzer. I guess a small blush brush could. I'm sure they're great shadows. I'm sure they're pretty. I have all of these colors and I'm not that excited about the balm anyway, personally. So I know that there are some people who rave about it, but it's just, it's not exciting enough for me to try this. So I think I might set this off to the side and see if either anybody I know of closely would like a new palette, or maybe I only have 12 subscribers, but maybe I can hold it out for an eventual giveaway when I reach a certain level. I'm super excited about this. I'll just say that. I am super excited about this. Like, this is probably, because Ipsy costs $25 a month. This is like $40. This to me is like worth the cost of the box, because I was gonna buy something like this anyway. And so I'm excited to get that. But that's probably all there is in this box that I'm really oh wait, no, I like the brush set too. I always get excited over brushes though, because I could always use more brushes. I mean, anything to keep myself from having to like actually clean something. Yeah, don't judge me. Don't judge me. We all do that. The value of my box this month was $204.50. So it doesn't matter as much to me that I'm getting a $200 value box here. What matters to me is, am I actually going to use the products in there? And I can say that 3 out of the 5 here, I would have never bought on my own. Hopefully you've enjoyed this unboxing. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Really more on Instagram than anything. I feel like Twitter's for a space for people who have something to say, and I have things to say. I just don't know if I want to say them that publicly to, you know, get applause from everybody. I am also interested, if you do want to leave a comment down below, if you do think that maybe I should just stop doing unboxings, stop my subscription services, do a series more on where I, you know, shop my stash and use a certain product for a few days, or I have some other things that I really want to do, but it's going to take research for me to do it, basically. And I don't know if I'm ever going to have the time, at least within the next 2 months, to do it. And I'm super swamped. There's part of me that's just like, just do it already, but then finding the time to just do it the way I really want to do it is going to be hard. But I've got some ideas. And I've got new content. I've got content out the wazoo. I just haven't had a chance to edit it all together, especially since it's not as time sensitive as these unboxings. It's kind of one of the reasons why it's like been beneficial for me to do unboxings, because it means that I actually have to get it up probably within a month of filming it. There's stuff that I've filmed that has been sitting there for like 3 months or more. Send help. You're interested in seeing other stuff, or you're not, like, these unboxings aren't doing it for you, you know, or there's something about, you know, anything that I've mentioned in the past that you would be more interested in hearing about, feel free to leave a comment down below. And again, thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day, evening, weekend, whenever you are watching this. Bye.